I made a video for the leader of Emirat, Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed. I respect him. He helped a lot Ethiopian government. He helped Ethiopia. But we want him to know. We want him to know what he's doing, Ethiopian government in Muslimin, because he don't know that. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed, he doesn't know. We want him to know how many Ethiopian masajid been destroyed. How many Ethiopian masajid been destroyed. Our brother and sister, they are in prison. They are in hospital. At night, they went each of Islam house. They pick the young, our brothers. They pick them and put them in the prison. They have plan. They have plan. They do that purposely. There is a religion, SPC. They want that. So they want wipe Muslims. So we are calling each of you, all of you, to stand with us, to be voice for us. Each things you see in my page, I will never post something I'm not sure about it. Why? Al-Mu'min, who believe in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, he will never lie. Maybe he did some other mistakes. He doesn't lie because Allah is watching. We are waiting victory from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, from Almighty. When someone waiting victory from Almighty, he will not lie. He don't spare lying news. No. Believe me, whatever you see in my page, what's happening, I'm posting. So we want you to stand with us. Our question is just one and one. To stop destroying the mosque. The mosque is being destroyed, to return as it is. And we want them to stop destroying our Quran. Our Quran, it means a lot to us. It doesn't mean nothing for them, maybe the government. But for us, we live for that. We die for that. We came here to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and we go back to the right house. We are not here living forever. No, we came here to worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala Almighty, and we go back. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala grant us Jannah, Tal Firdaus al-A'la. Ya Rab. That's why we are here. But we live, we respect, we love others. Muslims respect, love others. This is our beloved Prophet Muhammad teaches us. He didn't teach us to hate anyone. No. We want you to stand, each of you and all of you. In the social media has power. The social media has power to stand with us, to be voice for Muslim, for all Muslim, to be voice. Be with us. Each things you see in my page, I'm sparing the truth, what's happening in Ethiopia. But they are hiding it. Whoever want to post from Ethiopia, it goes in a prison. And now they start collecting each house which is Muslim, picking and put them in the prison. We are asking our right. Some of them, the mosque, they take them, they give them for some churches. Subhanallah. Those mosques been destroyed, not built yesterday. They've been there for a century. More than 30 years, the mosque, they've been destroyed. More than 30 years. So we want you guys to stand with us, to be voice for us. We have to stand together, one hand. La ilaha illallah. The only things we are asking is one. Our mosque to be built as it is, to stop destroying again, and to stop destroying the Holy Quran. This is our question, and to be return our Quran, our masjid as it is, our mosque, the one they destroyed, and they stop attacking Muslim. Attacking Muslim. We born there, we live there, we study there. So we don't want to be, like coming from outside. We don't want to be treated. We want to be treated as any human being, equal. We are asking our right. Our mosque has been destroyed. Our right has been taken from us. In Yom, the Friday prayer, the police jump on our brothers. And some of them, they died. Some of them in hospital. Some of them in prison. I can show you. I have a lot of evidence. Not talking like this. We are in pain. Ethiopian Muslim is in pain. We need your prayer and we need you to stand with us. Jazakumullahu ta'ala khair. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate each of you, all of you, standing and making dua for us and being voice for us. We appreciate Ethiopian Muslim. We appreciate. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, Jazakumullahu ta'ala khair, reward you with the good deeds and good deeds. We pray from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Don't forget us in your prayer. Allahumma salli wa sallim ala Sayyidina Muhammad.